guys, welcome back to Brightstar channel. It's me, Wing again. Today I'm going to teach you how to upgrade laptop RAM. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and open the doorbell to be the first person to watch a new video. I think most of you who watching the video having a laptop, and I guess most of you don't know how to select and upgrade the computer RAM. For select computer RAM, pretty simple. Just Google your processor model support what RAM. Usually either DDR3 or DDR4. Today we have ASUS A416J laptop and also ADATA DDR4 3002 MHz RAM. ASUS A416 laptop specification is 14-inch Full HD screen, Intel Core i5 processor 10th generation 35G1 processor, and it is using 6 mesh cache memory with 1.0 GHz. 4GB RAM DDR4 with 512GB PCIe SSD, and also come with NVIDIA MX3302 2GB. Windows 10 come with free home and student latest version, and also come with 2 years ASUS warranty. So let's upgrade now. First, we need unscrew all laptop screw.
2,000 years later.
Second, open the cover. Here is the RAM slot. So we upgrade the RAM. And close up the cover. Plug in with the adapter. Open to check the BIOS. RAM is how much?
2,000 years later.
So here you are, 8GB right now. And last shutdown. Screw back all the screw. Done. Cha-cha! Done! Stay tuned for next video. We'll share you more about computer laptop tips. See you guys! Bye bye!